what I understand from it that in 3 months, what I have understood that passenger crime is an area where we can work on. और इसमें आपसे भी लोगों से भी जो भी कॉपरेशन हमें मिलेगा विल बी वेरी ग्रेटफुली. और रिगार्डिंग द स्टोन पेल्टिंग इंसिडेंट्स, रनिंग ट्रेन्स पे स्टोन पेल्ट जो होता है, तो इट मे लुक वेरी स्मॉल बट इट डज हैव वेरी सीरियस इम्प्लीकेशंस एट फ्यू प्लेसेस. इवन पैसेंजर्स को बहुत सीरियस इंजरी हुई है. इन सम केसेस इंडियन रेलवेज में रिपोर्ट हुआ है दैट पैसेंजर्स डाई ऑल्सो. थर्ड जो है मुझे लगा है रिगार्डिंग द इशू ऑफ ड्रग्स, तो रेलवे शुड नॉट बी यूज्ड एज ए कैरियर ऑफ ड्रग्स. These three things which I have find out where I want to work. और इसमें जो भी आप लोगों की तरफ से जो भी इनपुट होगा which I will really try to inculcate and try to act on it. तो ये 3 इश्यूज मेरी तरफ से हैं. आप लोगों का कुछ हो तो बताइए, अदरवाइज हम लोग इसमें क्या कर रहे हैं, what we are trying to do from our side, I'll share with you. पैसेंजर क्राइम में मोस्टली तो what is happening that in running trains when passenger sleep their belongings, purse, mobile phones are stolen. The strength we have currently on rate is not sufficient to man all the coaches, as you can see. So what we do is we are trying to make passenger aware. How do we make aware that? We have certainly made lot of YouTube videos. We are trying to share those YouTube videos as much as possible. We also are having one good LCD TV which we move throughout the platform and show it to public so that they have the idea that what things they should take care. For example, while you are sleeping, you should not left your mobile charging. You should charge your mobile, go to sleep, and you should also keep it with you. You should not left it on there itself. The other issue is drugging. Drugging issue, I think you must all be aware that some passenger will befriend you. He'll generate his confidence, and then after he'll offer you some food and drinks, and then in those some sedatives will be there. So regarding that also we are trying to make passengers aware. Yesterday itself we caught a drugging offender. I think you have shared a detail share किया लोगों के साथ नहीं किया है. So yesterday itself we have to that arrest and that detection part we are doing on our part. What I want to say that through you we can make passengers aware that what are the precautions they should take. Second thing comes at stone pelting. Stone pelting, what is happening that our railway tracks are open from all ends. Anyone can come on near railway tracks. There are houses, there are shops. So I don't know, mostly in evening time what happens that small children 14 to 15 years or people in the influence of alcohol, for the sake of fun only they pelt stones on the train. They don't realize that their fun activity can be very dangerous for the passengers or the public. Regarding that also we are regularly conducting awareness drive in the section 5 to 10. RPF staff goes, communicate with them, speak with them. So this is what we are doing. Other than that we are also conducting raids in the such area where people are crossing railway tracks. That is another thing. Third thing which I told, which is new for me, which because I have not worked on that particular aspect, that railway should not be used as a carrier for drugs or contraband items. Contraband drugs not only destroys our future generations, it destroys our economy also. The youth whom should have been employed in some really meaningful and legitimate activity divert its attention from there. So this is one area we are trying to work on. Some really good seizure we have done. I think they have shared the detail, and this is for Dimapur only. What I'm saying is that across the northeast, the Lumding division starts from Agartala, right, goes up to Kamakhya and Guwahati. So all this area we are trying to cover, and we are deploying teams trying to generate intelligence. And यदि आप लोगों के पास भी है, if you want to share something, anytime, any day, you can directly share that information with me or my inspector directly. Or regarding that, you people also do share with me what are your opinions, how we can control these problems. As I told that earlier stated that I am new here, so any input from your side will be most welcome. Railway helpline number 139, please popularize it. It works all over India 24/7, and there is Rail Madad app also. Rail Madad. First of all, we do receive many such complaints daily. Unauthorized passenger in reserved coaches. immediately at the next station RPF staff definitely attend such complaints, and we do have a very good feedback mechanism also. It is being monitored from Delhi directly. So if we do not attend the train at next station, or the feedback is not satisfactory, that also is reflected immediately. So that 139 is one solution which you really should check also. There is one more issue I want to know regarding e-ticket touts. If you are trying to get the reservation, so do you get it easily, or have you faced some problem that some third person is coming and saying ki if you will pay 100 rupees extra, then you will get the confirmed ticket? Any such problem in Dimapur? No. And from touting and we are good. For women's safety also, there is a exercise we are doing, which is called Meri Saheli, where we identify from the chart that which women are traveling alone. Then our lady staff approach them and try to get the details and also ask whether they are facing some problem. So this is also one initiative by Railway Board for women who are traveling alone. But all these problems, if a woman is facing or any sort of problem in railways, that 139 is central number which you should contact. And I assure you that response will be immediate. As soon as the RPO or GRP get the news, they respond immediately. So
Nagaland TV, Sob Manulaga Awas. Watch us live on Geo TV and on your television sets as well. For Dimapur viewers, we are on channel number 994 in Global Chapter, and Kohima and Mokokchung viewers, switch to channel number 138 on Hornbill Digital. For all news and updates, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter.